nti ye nyina yakɔ school a yakɔ try exams a ye wi a ye ba fie me ne kra papa mu ɛwɔ Christian Village Junction nti na ono no use the Christian Village enclave akɔfa dɔme de akɔ baby a ɔkɔ ana afemi nso me use the Achimota Golf Park no area ni. That was around 6 minutes after 8. Yeah, papa, mumina me di kan tuka ana ono so etu di mechi. Then at the T junction or no branching, I me call straight. But me kono, just few meters away from baby, you separate, you know. I heard the siren, mechi. So I even thought say be either say ambulance and I say, I mean, military car be na airba. Man shed down for my dream, so. And just when I'm at Achimota police station, I make drew runabout in the so Jolu Junction, this was maybe a multi-choice one. Then the calls started coming. Say, just when I left in national security, I intercepted Okatakyire, and then he's been arrested. It was quite surprising, but quickly, the first thing I could do was to contact Yenia or no a lawyer who has been leading us, I mean, for all this while, or no issue be a contacting, or no dilemma. He's a lawyer, precisely. And my friend, I was say quickly, no, initially, na ye nimbe be a or more edeno echo, and we pulled out certain calls to certain people, and finally, no, meaning me no, it me identify baby a or more edeno echo.
All right, the name remains Detective Ghana, DK360 Ghana. This is just exclusive video I made the amount. Now, I start 6:30, 7, 8 mono. Now, exclusive by say, and now could every famous and the host of for the records, national security, Abe Pekin, I'm so how. Now, some many the only name body just say, oh, two no TM, na many in common. Mr. Speaker, na ne friend, but don't also friend appear could be better. Me introducing one sana. Ya be come on so. Na come here.
Boko, we are fine.
We are fine.
That's right.
Me want introduce one kakra so that people.
When I say they no know about
Mr.
Speaker.
Okay.
Kwame Appiah Kubi, morning show host for Kesben FM, Kesben TV.
Okay. Okay, that's powerful. Mr. Speaker, I can't feel you. Now, let's summarize what happened.
Okay, so every 5 minutes, in the media, they say, you know, I believe it's a Ghana and EBN. Say, yeah, it's about finding for. Yeah, it's a 5 and 6. Who Okatakyire, who speaker, who Okatakyire. Yanka bin shemu. Yenina ya law school, ewa Gimpa, and umre ya tro mid semester exams. Nti yenina ya school, ya tro exams. Yeah, Befi. Mene kra papa mu ewo Christian Village Junction. Enti na ono no use the Christian Village enclave akɔfa dɔme de akɔ baby a ɔkɔ ana afemi nso me use the Achimota Golf Park no area ni. That was around 6 minutes after 8. Yeah, papa mumina me di kan tuka ana ono nso etu di mechi. Then at the T junction or no branching, I me call straight. But me kono, just few meters away from baby, you separate, you know. I heard the siren, mechi. So I even thought say be either say ambulance and I say, I mean, military car be na airba. Man shed down for my dream, so. And just when I'm at Achimota police station, I make drew runabout in the so Jolu Junction. This was maybe a multi-choice one. Then the calls started coming. Say, just when I left in national security, I intercepted Okatakyire, and then he's been arrested. It was quite surprising, but quickly, the first thing I could do was to contact Yenia or no a lawyer who has been leading us, I mean, for all this while, or no issue be a contacting, or no dilemma. He's a lawyer, precisely. And my friend, I was say quickly, no, initially, na ye nimbe be a or more edeno echo, and we pulled out certain calls to certain people, and finally, no, meaning me no, it me identify baby or more edeno echo. And we went to the national security, Blue Gate, and your call, your cotton, and then other lawyers started say omo join the national organizer of the New Patriotic Party, Nanabi, Edumbre, Mame Nanase, na Minna, the incoming youth organizer, Krobi Asante, currently deputy communication officer, no ase, Minna Habib, Jerry, your friend is saying, Wija. Enclave, no, I'm a member of parliament and then deputy chief whip. Omunyina were there to support the SCN. And by and large, this is what is happening. Now, the Akachini, the Ochinanopa, charges in the and then Americans or Chinano, you be the home como, the Yadanya Miasi or Horner say at least. He's been released as we speak. Just a little after 10 p.m. and almost a release, and see, as we speak in India, he's been released. But the charges any idea in a woman in a deck. Mamenda was munino, my idea. I was a Friday, was also a callback to the national security. Friday, yes. I'll be reporting back to the national security. We'll be there. That's why they now why you need the national security for a really woman a better someone no much arrest you you under investigation and see the real charges but then we have the opportunity to say any lawyers a better statement then we see how we proceed with this whole matter and see that is what to the best of our knowledge say your call honor. He was upstairs and then we were down. Almost shy in. We sat. We waited. Said you been had the opportunity together with the lawyers. No more available. Lawyer Fokwa, lawyers Denise Jomo, AJ Jomo, and then the rest. John Darko, Omunyina came to support. And we just wait and say whichever particular charges they have against him. Omo de beba na afeyetimi edi ho enkomo. As we speak there. He's not been charged of any offense. Entina mean to mean kase we put into the original so more action.
So this is a convoy. That's not organizer. The moment, go be a flow. Okay, yeah. This is the air update of Yajano. As at 8 o'clock, 8:30. But as at 10:40, Yajano. So this is the update of the airport.
Okatakyire Frifa Mensa. What the host for the records. Menokas a few minutes ago, National Security for Edin Tente action wo Kingsby. Achimota Kings beside Holma. Ubiani baby crowd or more day a FIFA Mensa echo. That's the breaking news out there. Say Okatakyire Frifa Mensa. Menoka say ye can war Ghana and say Yachino. National Security for Edin Tente from Game Park Wachilo Kingsby. Baby call more than a quad yinim. So more than a bonnet so I and swa yinim. We are monitoring the system.
Now, what by your branch say? Say, me obey take something precious away from me. Now, I want to say, for a decode say, a year obey junior, and juju. So, actually, the conversation now calls for national security. Say, me, my catch a national security coordinator said, or your mama boy, dear, they will come after me. Now, one of the things they will do, the grace of my voice in a unique here, dear Ben, they will make sure they hurt my voice. It is idea no, yeah, Obenumun show, Fro, you say Obenumun show. By any minimum, it means they will infect my throat with something just so I can't talk. The way Jiminti, okay, some children about can said on the bay. It was a plan of the national security. So against me. National security, me no case. Oma kwa jeme call records. Our mood tracking crofo. Me no mood dinko every day. Trace woman. Me awe.
More fire.
After omu wiye ya, almost me car mikwi no, ombeje car no, because my work as a national security coordinator ye boy. Ora Osman, who ni command to me national security? What me for national security is who be okurima? There are more pressing issues on national security. That borders on national security. What me for me yastic?
More fire.
Pa mu kume.
More fire.
Nyamasem.
More fire.
Car no ekura me no. Me nwia car. Se me nwia car. Mo fa nko court. Na court meje. You be a car, you make a free from a car.
More fire.
And then you buy the car, mammy. It is a Muslim who to me. Nasamoya sad dear way somebody used to force one. Men kashi. Nemo said ye to me no, and the podiano, and can enchain a tono. I go for the 8 years I become. I can bet you honestly, one government change will be a better side and be me, I'll come after you.
Precisely.
So, yes, a mukume. Some young Quasiadini Jimmy. There be a pound for pound.
More fire.
Sadia Kufa Dubai, yeah, and your mamma was more reset. Mobile, dear Moya, West.
Exactly.
Ubia Reno Bia.
More fire.
Yet to Croman, yes, a fra branch Bijapa. I hope that the letter now ready. Oui? John Mama and the rest certain or the obey.
Arrésted who?
Because you're worse than what we saw even before.
Precisely.
And the people can't see it. Say euphoria for winning election, improve margin. But they will see the reality. So yet why you say your fra branch Bijapa, Fanatus no be a winning. Fajapa to so. Mobaka Japa. Ono na attorney general. And then a year in year say you former attorney general. And then a year we say near the Japa case in yard. Na yes Japa koto ambulance be breye.